This video was brought to you by ABRP Planner, Kempower, Maxus Bil, Stormberg and Bilkomponenter. Launch number 1. Launch number 3. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the Google Sheet. So yes, how fast was the eT90? Further down, further down. Yes, that's what I said my wife. Further down, further down. No, further down. Wait, where is it? There, it's at the bottom. What the heck? How the heck can it be so slow? Well, according to spec, it's 12.3 seconds, and then it did it in 12.7. This was even unloaded. Unladen, is that what it's called? But it's empty even. So it was that slow, but the car is not that heavy. 2.5 tons roughly, and well, let's see. We'll check power to weight ratio. Okay, it has some of the worst power to weight ratio. Oh, okay, maybe that's why. Yeah, okay, that kind of makes sense then. All right, okay. So that's why it is so slow. Only 180 horsepower. Maybe it should be equipped with at least 200 to 250 horsepower. It's a rear-wheel drive anyway, so you're not going to get any torques there. Yeah. What about braking performance? Well, braking was, I'm not sure, okay, maybe. But you see that even some cars with winter tires could match the Maxus with summer tires. So why did it do it so maybe not bad? I mean, bad would be, well, actually, when I think about it, it is actually bad. Look here, we mostly have winter tires here, almost matching the Maxus. And then so 43 meter is not that great compared to 10 meters shorter. Well, you can say that, okay, let's see here. BYD Tang, which is just also a Chinese car, has 10 meter better braking distance and also weighs about the same, even better, even more, but it has slightly wider tire, but Continental. So maybe always blame tires. Yeah, Gitti 4x4, which is kind of funny that the car is not 4x4. Okay, anyway, enough about tires. Okay, before I forget, yeah, okay, so maybe it would be better for the Norwegian importer to take off those Gitti tires. I saw that it was made in China. Take off those Chinese tires and put on some European or Western style. It can be Michelin, it can be Pirelli or Hankook or what the Goodyear, one of the other ones here on top, they will do it way better. So if they care about safety, maybe they should do it. And the last one is noise. So when it comes to noise though, it is okay. You see, it kind of matches Taycan Cross Turismo with fat tires, or Millennium Falcon, or better than Niro, better than Tang here. You see, so yeah, in terms of noise, it is okay. Okay, not on top, but yeah. So there you guys have it. The Maxus is. I mean, it is what it is, right? It's a pickup truck, but a pickup truck doesn't have to be slow. Once I test the other ones, like the Ford F-150 Lightning or Rivian or Cybertruck, you will see how electric pickup trucks are supposed to be, you know, uber schnell. And then the other stuff here, you know, like the braking test, you know, they can easily fix this. Either the owner takes off those Chinese GT tires and put on something else, or even better, if the importer provides with better tires. But okay, I think that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.